How to find Telegram group link. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram. Then click on the group you want to find link of. Open the group chat and then click on the name at the top. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on pencil-like icon at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on group type. Select the group type you want, which is private or public. Make sure it's private if it's only your friends. Then at the bottom, you will find invite link. Press on copy and send it to the people you want to invite. And this is how to find Telegram group link. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.